Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to the stream. I'll share my screen. Okay. Can you guys hear me loud and clear? Please let me know in the chat. Okay, so this is DXY. Today we have some news, so I will wait until then. But before that, let's see if I have some good setup. Then I will took some position on this live. So we have on 8:30, we have some news, and then on 10 o'clock New York time. This is on New York time. So right now it's already 8 o'clock. In next 27 minutes, we have news. Hello, hi, how are you, brother? How are you? Are you doing all good? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to all of you. How was your day? Yes, I'm also looking for goal. But let's see. For goal, I will explain my view on goal because these days is very difficult to predict the market. But right now, I'm holding for not much time. I'm just trading like scalping, and I don't want to target for external liquidities. So I just want to finish my trade in external liquidity. So for now, in higher time frame like daily time frame and 4 hour time frame, this is some sort of a consolidation. So uh, I really don't understand it will go up further or it will go down from this level because it can do anything from this level. So I will look for higher time frame break of structure. It may be upside or downside for further price action. And for now, in lower time frame like 4 hour and daily time frame, 4 hour and 1 hour time frame, I just want to see some bullish momentum on gold. Like if it this 1 hour fair value gap will be, this is very important one for me. So if it respect this one, and if I see some break of structure downside, then I will look for sell at least to these lows. This would be a very good liquidity down, sell side liquidity over here. And if I see a break of structure upside, then I will look for buy for gold. That's my plan for today. Simple as that. And for Nasdaq, it's already getting up to all-time high again. So I'm still bullish for Nasdaq and S&P 500. But we have some news in next 30 minutes and 10 o'clock. So it might get some volatility in the market, plus we can see some manipulation, because in daily time frame you can see over here there is no down candle from this low to this high. So it was consolidating for more than 1 year, and it was taken out this liquidity in just 5 to 10 days. So this is some kind of a manipulation is going right now. So I must be very careful for that. And this is on all time high, so I will be looking for buys. But for now, in this level, I don't want to look for buy. I just want to see some manipulation downside first, and then I will look for buy again. That's my plan on Nasdaq plus on S&P 500. That's my plan. And for EU and ZU, I'm still looking for buy, but I will look that buy after this news as well, because uh, it can do anything, anytime, in any moment. So I will look for some confirmation candle closer, 1 hour closer, 4 hour closer, because uh, actually I'm not a scalper. I'm a swing trader, but these days I don't do swing trade. I do sometimes, but most of the time I focus on scalping, like in 5 minute or 15 minute, even in 1 minute time frame, because of this market condition and all. So let's see, guys. And what are you guys looking for? Are you already done for today, or waiting for your setup, or are you still on a trade? Let me know in the chat, guys. Come on. Any trade breakdown or recap? Okay. Uh, I just take. Yesterday, I took a loss on Nasdaq. This is in 1 minute time frame. Yesterday, I took a loss over here. I think it was somewhere here. Sorry, I'm I'm buying somewhere here. My stop is somewhere. Let me see. Okay, so this is my stop. I'm targeting for this one. So this is my yesterday trade on Nasdaq. I lost on this one. I hit my stop loss. And on gold, I took a very good position yesterday. I took two position on the same setup. Like I took this one. After this break of structure, I wait for this fair value gap over here. So expansion retracement to this discount level. So from this low to this high, this is the dealing range. So it's coming down to the discount level. Plus, this will be OT level. And on this level, we have the same fair value gap over here. It was filling this gap. So yesterday, I took a buy from here, somewhere here. My stop is somewhere here, and this was my TP for yesterday. So I took this trade yesterday. This was also I took on live on this channel, not on this channel, but on my private channel, on my private YouTube channel. I took this trade on live. So this was, I took this trade on my two different account, funded account, and on Nasdaq. I took this one. So total, I took three trades yesterday. One is loss and two is win. So for today, I didn't take any trades till now. I'm still waiting for this news and candle closer. So let's see how it goes. Let me check something. Hello, where is Kashif Bhai? Bro, I think Kashif is at the moment he's not available right now, because I thought he got some emergency or something, or he is uh, going somewhere, so he is not able to join this live. So let's see. News will be in next 19 minutes, guys. I'm looking for buy on Nasdaq, buy setup, but I just want to see some manipulation first, and then I will look for buy. Same here with gold. I want to see to break above this 1 hour fair value gap. Then I will look for buy again on gold. I'm looking for this one, or if it in 1 hour time frame, if it break downside again, I will look for this lows. So that could be my setup for today on gold. And guys, where are you from? From where are you watching this live stream? And thank you so much to a very big shout out to Tradin TV and the team, because for giving me this opportunity so I can connect with you guys. I can learn from all of you. You can learn from me. So it's everything is all about learning, uh, taking experience from it's one another. I don't know these days, like it can happen. It can, from just one tweet from nowhere, the market can be very bullish or very bearish. So I don't want, if I took any entry right now, I don't want to hold for uh, longer time. So that's why in these days, from past 3, 4, 5 months, uh, 90% of my trade I'm doing in scalping, like 5 minute, maximum 15 minute, or even in 1 minute. Otherwise, I'm a swing trader. Like I hold trade for 2 days, 3 days. Even my so these days, funding pips is also not allowing traders to hold their trades weekend, uh, over week, in master account. But in past months, they are allowing that. So I hold in my biggest holding was around 13 days. I hold a trade for 13 days, like it's a swing type. So actually I'm a swing trader, but these days I don't want to do swing trade because all of this news and all the brokers, even uh, the funded companies and all, even in funding pips, they are not allowing to hold weekends. So we can hold for overnight, that's totally fine, but I don't want to do that. So let's see. News will be in next 15 minutes. It was retracing to this level, and it can fill this gap right over here. If it wants to push up, it can fill this gap and goes up, or this is also a breaker block over here. And you can see this red line. I'm drawing this red line, this one. And this is a midnight opening for this week, midnight opening for Monday. So for me, this is a very important level for me. Let's see. This GU is also pushing up. What about Euro USD? Euro USD, I just want to check this gap. This will be a very important fair value gap. I can decide my bias from this gap. Let's see, guys. And for me, I don't want to force myself to take any trades because I'm live. So for me, I will wait for my perfect setup to got my entry. So stay with me, guys, and I will explain everything if I got anything or if I doesn't get anything uh, in possible ways. As of my knowledge, I will explain to you guys. So meanwhile, what are you looking, guys? Are you looking for gold or Nasdaq, NQ? Sometimes I want to check Twitter as well because these days is very important for uh, update on Twitter because anything can happen in any time. Update on. So let's see. Let's see. So in next 15 to 20 minutes, we have so many news. Trump will speak, and we have these retail sales. And on 10 o'clock, we have Fed Chairman. So we can see some volatility on this time. Let's see what it gives. Okay, gold is coming down from this level. This is 1 hour fair value gap. As you can see, this is 1 hour fair value gap on gold. Mm, 3 hour. Okay. What about 4 hour? We have this 4 hour fair value gap as well. And this is a pattern I look for. Like if it was taken out 3 times, this is 1, 2, 3, then as of my experience, at least it will go down for some liquidity downside. So that's why if it break this structure downside, then I will look for some short on gold. But I don't want to risk myself within this time frame because we have some news in next 10 minutes. And I will be looking after 8:35, after 5 minutes. So news will be in 8:30. Okay, it was perfectly rejected from this 1 hour fair value gap, taken out these highs, this liquidity upside over here. Okay, what about silver? Silver is also wants to get down. Silver can take out these lows over here. So I'm not trading on silver, but if I'm trading on gold, uh, I just want to take confirmation from silver as well, but I'm not trading in silver. Like EU and GU, it will be correlated, or Nasdaq and S&P 500 is very similar with them. So silver and gold. Okay, it can manipulate this low. Let's see. Gold is getting down. DXY is not moving. I hope it will get some volatility in next 8 minutes from now. It's starting into okay. Let's wait news in next 4 minutes. This is S&P 500. This will be the equal highs over here. So as I can see, on S&P 500, it was not taken out this high, this all-time high, but in Nasdaq, it was taken out this high. So we can see some divergence over here. This is very important. See in 15-minute time frame, it was taken out this high on Nasdaq, and on S&P it was not taken out this high. So I hope it will get a very good manipulation downside. So this will be the drawn liquidity. For gold. For S&P 500, this will be next row, and this one. Let's see, guys. Let's see. 15 minute will be closing in next 3 minutes. So news is also in next 3 minutes, guys. What is this level? Okay, this is daily time frame fair value gap. All right, all right. Let's see. News in next 2.5 minutes. Three hour. What about 4 hour? Okay. I hope DXY is getting down from this level. It can respect this level and do like this. If it does so, then EU will be very bullish for today. Let's see. Okay, so in next 1 minute we have news. Okay, we are 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Okay, gold is taken out this lows. Let's wait for candle closer. At least for 15-minute time frame, I want to see candle closer. Okay. Let's do it. On Euro USD, it was taken out these lows. On DXY, it doesn't taken out these highs. Hi. How are you, bro? Na. I want to check any update on Twitter. Okay. Gold is showing some momentum. I will wait for candle closer, at least for 15-minute time frame. Let's see. Guys, I want to wait for another 6 minutes from now. If I don't see any setup, then I will not force myself to get any trade. Okay, getting rejected. But as you can see, this 5-minute fair value gap right over here, it was still respecting with the bodies of the candle. But in 1 minute time frame, this one you can see as a breakout structure. But in 5 minute, it was still respecting this gap. The body is still inside this gap. Okay. That's why higher time frame confirmation is very important. So 1 hour closing will be in next 20 minutes. 30 minutes is also in next 20 minutes. 15 will be in next 5 minutes. Okay. All right, all right. Nasdaq is also reacting from that level. It can take out these lows. Okay. Okay. I will get ready with my account. I'll change this color for you to red one. Let's see. I will be looking for short. Okay. Guys, I got a short position from this level. As you can see, I got a short from that level, and my TP will be this low. This low over here, this will be my TP. Let's see how it goes. This is the trade, guys. As you can see, this is the running position. This is on $50,000 account. So let's see, guys. This is the first trade for today, and let's see how it goes. It was looking good though. Okay. Nice one. I will book some. It was running. Okay, it's already 1 to 1, so I'm booking some profit right over here. Okay, guys. Uh, I'm booking around 50% over here. So still 50% is still running. I'm booking around 50% on that level. So if it hits my stop loss, then I will be losing only some percentage like 0.2 or 3, because I'm already booking 50% on this low. My full TP will be over here. TP1 is over here. Let's check for DXY. Let's wait and watch. Still, it can react to this level and goes down, or it can hit my stop loss. So actually, it's now a risk-free trade because I already booked around 50% of my position on this level. 15-minute closer is good. The only thing is that on 5-minute and on 15-minute time frame, it was still respecting this fair value gap right over here. You can see this body of the candle. That is the only concern right now. Okay, again, it was reacting from this level. As I told you, it can react again to this level and goes down. If it break this low, I will be break even this trade. I mean by body of the candle. Okay. So I will adjust my stop loss from here to this level. I will adjust my stop loss a little bit. All right. And I'm still holding my 50%. Let's see. Let's see. It was still running. As you can see, already adjust my stop. Hmm. 5 minute. What about 30 minute? 30 minute will be closing in next 6 minutes. Okay. So on this trade, I'm risking around $600, and my TP is around $1,000. So I book around. If it hits my TP, then I will be up around $700 because I already booked around 50% over here. And now my stop loss is already adjusted. If it hits stop loss from now, then I think I will be in break even though. Okay. What do you guys think about this trade? It's still running, guys. If it breaks below this low by body of the candle, if it close below this low, then I will be break even this trade. Otherwise, I will not. Let's go. Let's go. I'm bearish on gold. Yes, you can be right, bro. Because on gold, I don't see any good buys for me. So right now on gold, I'm like 50-50. So it can go upside or downside. So I will look for more price action. Then only I will decide on gold. That's why I'm trading on Nasdaq for today, for this life. I mean. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I will be break even this trade. I'm break even this trade. Okay. It's already break even right now. So already 50% book. I will be booking more position over here. I'm booking more. Yep. Already 70% book. So let it run until my TP. So it's now risk free. This trade is totally risk free, and I'm already up around uh, $300, and still some of them are running right now. So W in the chat, guys. W in the chat. I'm doing this. Everything is on live, so you can anybody those who are entering just now, you can check or after this live why I'm entering on this trade. Okay, it's already break even, and I'm booking around 70%. Still 30% of my position is still running. Let's see how it goes. I hope I will hit my full TP. Let's see, guys. Be patient. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. All right. All right. Only this much left. It's still running, guys. Almost hit my TP. Okay. What about on S&P 500? This will be the one. Mhm. Okay, if it break above this fair value gap, then I will book my profit. And 9:30 opening will be in next 19 minutes. How many? 1.5 hours. Okay. So within 2 minutes, either I will closing or it can hit my TP. Let's see for around 2 to 3 minutes. If it hangs around over here, then I will book my full TP. Gold is bearish right now. Okay. Let's see. Rejecting from this fair value gap, plus this is 1 minute order block. Let's see how this candle closes. Okay, so I'm booking full TP right now, guys. As you can see, I'm booking. So it's done. I'm not able to book the full TP because in next some minutes it will be opening for 9:30. If I see any setup again, I will be entering more trades on this one. So that's it, guys. We can call it a day. And be safe. Respect your risks, and don't be so greedy about your uh, payouts and all. And have a very great week, guys. See you again. Bye bye. We can call it a day. Thank you for showing up on this live. See you again next time. Bye bye.